Hey, welcome to Facts TV Kids.
Come along and sing with me. It's the letter A. Let's go. You'll see. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. Let's take a bite. It's a tasty treat. A is for ant, marching on the ground, crawling in a line without a sound. A is for alligator, snapping wide with scaly skin and a big green hide. A is for airplane, zooming through the sky, flying super fast way up high. A is for acorn, tiny and brown. It falls from the tree down to the ground. A is for astronaut, way out in space, wearing the suit in a rocket race. A is for anchor, heavy and gray. It holds the ship so it doesn't stray. So many A words we now know, from the sky to down below. Say it loud, A, A, A. We love the letter A today.
Thanks for watching Facts TV Kids. Click the button below and subscribe.